40. बोलो कितना आएगा आंसर? ओके, surds and indices. The topic name is surds and indices. Okay, surds and indices. Okay, surds and indices. हमने इसको आई थिंक 10th स्कूल पे सीखा है, 10th स्टैंडर्ड और 8th 9th पे. दैट इज करनी. We say it is a karani. That is a surds and indices. So here what we have to do, there's a theoretical way. We have to see some formulas because we have to apply those formulas while solving the questions. So I just list out the formulas. I won't explain those because you people already knows. So I just recall those formulas. So it will help you people to solve a questions on this surds and indices. Those will be called, first will be a laws of indices. Okay, laws of indices. What are those laws? The first one is, if a raised to m into a raised to n, so if I'm multiplying these two with the different indices, so their indices will be added, multiplied together, or sorry, added together. A raised to m plus n. Okay, and second one, if I multiply two values, or now it's a multiply, then I'll be adding. If I divide these two values, a raised to m by a raised to n, so answer will be a subtracting, a raised to m minus 1. And if it is a raised to m and complete to the n, bracket n, so your answer will be it is multiplied, m and n will be multiplied, m into n. And fourth one, if it is the two different numbers, a and b are a different numbers, if I multiply with their indices, so it will be right, a raised to n and b raised to n. Okay, and fifth rule will be, if I divide same way, two divide numbers a and b with their common indices, we'll get an answer as a raised to n by b raised to n. And you already knows, if I indices is 0, you'll get a value as 1. So these are the formulas you people has to remember. It will help you people to solve the simplification problems. Okay, simplification problems. Okay, just list out the laws of surds. Okay, laws of surds. Laws of surds. Okay, so the first law will be, if n is the, okay, if n is the rational number, okay, n is the positive integer, if n is the positive integer and a is the rational number, okay, a is the rational number, then it will gives me a raised to 1 by n irrational number, a raised to 1 by n irrational number, then this value will be called as a surds value. Okay, it is called as a surd. And second one, if it is a n ab, okay, nth root of ab, then it is a into b. Okay, a into b. Then if it is n a by b, if it's a by b, then its answer will be a by b. Okay, and the fourth one is, if it is n into nth root of a, it is again square of or a raised to a n value, you will get n and will get cancelled, because it can be written as like this, n by n, so both will get cancelled, you will get an answer as a only. Both will get cancelled, you get an answer as a. Okay, then I'll write a one more law, fifth one. If it is m raised to n square, m root and n to the root of a, so you'll get these two will be multiplied, m into n into that root of a. Okay, m into n. And if it is 6 1, n root of a raised to a m, okay, then it is nth root a raised to m. Okay, nth root a raised to m. Just copy this, which will help us to solve the problems. Okay, I'll take a one question now. Under a type 1. Okay, I'll take a one question, type 1. Question is y equal to, okay, y equal to 20 plus square root of 20 plus, again under the square root of 20. Okay, just move this. Okay, so here plus, and this is up to infinity. So you have to find what is the value of y. Okay, you have to find what is the value of y. They'll ask such type of question. Okay, so it's a one type of question comes under the topic of search. Okay, so here how to solve this? There's a set of rules are there. If they give such questions, what you have to look? First check, okay, first check in between sign is what? Whether they given a plus sign or a minus sign. Okay, check here what sign they given. So here they given a plus sign. So आपको चेक करना है बिटवीन में कौन सा साइन है, प्लस साइन है क्या माइनस साइन है. एंड नेक्स्ट में आपको क्या चेक करना है, द आंसर इज क्वेश्चन इक्वेशन इज एंडेड अप टू इंफिनिटी और हियर ओनली. ओके, और सेकंड स्टेप क्या करना है, दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्सटेंडेड अप टू इंफिनिटी और it is stopped here in between only. So here in this question they have given up to a infinity, means this equation is extended up to infinite time. So suppose if it is infinite value, okay, if they are given an infinite value, okay, if they are given an infinite value, so आपको क्या करना है, 20 को consider करो सिर्फ. If they are given an infinite value, just consider the given question. What is the value in the given question? 20 is the given question. Now what is the between size? Plus is the sign is in between. आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ 20 को ले लो, consider just 20, just and find the factors of 20. Okay, what you have to do, find the factors of 20. Okay, and you have to search factors in such a way that their difference should be a 1. Their difference should be 1 आना चाहिए. Their difference should be 1. अगर आप दो फैक्टर्स इसके फाइंड आउट किए, इफ यू कंसिडर दो फैक्टर्स, उसके डिफरेंस क्या आना चाहिए, 1 आना चाहिए. ऐसे फैक्टर को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो नाउ इफ आई कंसिडर दिस 20 फ्रॉम वेयर आई गॉट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन. सो इफ आई टेक टू फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस, so I can write 5 into 4 will be my 20. So here what you have to do, always give a plus sign to the higher value. Abhi 5 is bigger than 4, so give a plus sign to a higher value and minus sign to a lower value. Okay, then what is the difference between these two? In दोनों के difference क्या आना चाहिए? As I said, 1 only. So if you do a 5 minus 4, you have to get a 1. So you have to search the factors in such a way that you should get a difference between them is a 1. Now what is the answer? Blindly you have to consider if it is a plus sign in between. Why I said you people to check the plus sign and minus sign. अगर बीच में plus sign है तो, okay, अगर बीच में plus sign है तो आपको क्या करना है, answer will be a +5. अगर आपका बीच में minus sign है तो answer will be a 4. But here in the question they have given a, there's a plus sign in between the question, in between a equation. So your answer will be just 5. Okay, it looks like so difficult, but step is very simple. So I'll just give one more question. You people try this. The second question is find a y value. The equation is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus and up to a infinite. So what is the value of y? Do quickly and tell. You can tell just looking the question only. No need to solve. Here your answer will be 6 because plus sign and infinite equation. Consider the 30 and find out the cofactors. 6 and 5 is the factor. This is a plus and here the minus. And here in between plus sign is given. So difference between these two are 1 and आपका answer. So your answer will be a 6. Okay, your answer will be a 6. If there is no factors, अगर आप ऐसे वैल्यू का factors नहीं मिले तो कैसे करना है? If you're not able to find the factors, then how you will see? So I'll take a question in such way. I'll take a 11 plus 11 plus 11. So it is up to a infinity. So what is the value of y? So here 11 is such a question which we won't find any factors. So how to solve in this case? Okay. So what we have to do? There's a one formula for any values. अगर आपका factors मिल रहा है, you can apply there also. If you are not getting factors, you can use that formula also. So what that formula? The y equal to 1 plus, okay, y equal to 1 plus square root of y equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4x by 2. This is your formula. Okay, आपको a formula use करना है. You have to use this formula if you are not getting any factors, because for 11 I don't have any factor. So use formula 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4x by 2. So here x is what? My 11. So here my x is what? 11. So what I'll do? I'll just use here 1 plus 4 into 11 by 2. Okay. So here 1 plus 44 by 2, and your answer will come 1 plus square root of 45 by 2. This is your answer. Okay, आपका आंसर इतना ही आएगा. अगर एक स्टेप ज्यादा पूछे तो भी क्या आता है? 0.5 plus square root of 45 by 2. Only that much they can give, but your answer will be up to here. When you have to use this formula? If they ask 11 type of question, means when you are not able to get a factors. Okay, this is a one type of question. So here also what? Plus sign only they given. Okay, in between what is the sign is there? Plus. Now question arises, 11 is not getting a factor. The one more question arises, the number you will get in such a way that you won't get a factor and minus sign बीच में रहता है, तो कैसे करना है? So we'll see such type of example. One more. I'll take a one more question with a minus sign. Just find 13 minus 13 minus 13 minus up to a infinity. What is the value of y? So what is the value of y? So here also 13 is there. You are not able to get a factors of 13. Okay, you won't get a factors of 13. So you have to use the same formula. But the problem is minus sign is there in between. Okay, minus sign is there in between. So slight change in the formula. Okay, what you have to do? Instead of y equal to, then before it was a plus, take a minus 1. Just change in the formula. Just add a minus 1. Minus 1 plus square of 1 plus 4x by 2. This is your formula. When you have to use this formula? If there's a negative sign in the question. Okay, if negative sign in the question or a equation, use this formula, that is just minus 1. And if positive sign is there, that is previous one, 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4x by 2. Okay. Yes. So now apply the value of x. So if I do here minus 1 plus 4 into 13 by 2. Okay, 13 into 4 is what? 52. 52 plus 1, 53. So minus 1 root of 53 by 2. Okay, this is your answer. This is your answer. Yes, this way you have to find a value which you have minus sign and infinity is given. Okay, infinity is given. Take a one different equation. So equation will be a, what is the value of, or a find the value of square under the square root of 10, under the square root of 10, under the square root of 10, okay, under the square root of 10. This is your question, only this much, okay. So it is not up to infinity, it is not finite value, and there is no plus sign, there is no minus sign. This is the multiplication, one root और एक root से multiply हो रहा है, okay. So how to do this? So this is simple, okay. The very simple. What you have to do, just see how many tens are there. How many 10 are there? 4 tens are there. अभी देखो 10 कैसे divisible होता है. So 10 will divide with the smallest number 5 and with the smallest number 2. So 2 से divisible होता है. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So what I'll do? How many numbers? First I'll count. How many equal numbers are there? Equal digits. So 10 equal digits कितने दिया है क्वेश्चन पे? 4 दिया है. So how many tens are there? 4 tens. Okay. Okay. So how many tens are there? 4. So 2 divides by 10 divides by 2. How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Then do the 16 minus 1. You will get a 15. So your answer will be 10 raised to 15 by 16. Okay. Your answer will be 10 raised to 15 by 16. Okay. 10 raised to 15 by 16. I'll give one more. Find the value of square root of 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. So here also it 8 divides by 2 only. Okay. 4 into 2 or 2 into 4. But smallest one is 2. How many 8s are there here? 6 8s are there. So just 6 8s means 2 raised to 8. Okay. 2 raised to 8. 2 raised to 8 कितना आएगा इधर? I think this will come as a 64. Okay. So I got that thing. So 2 raised to 8 will come as a 64. Then और क्या करना है अभी?
Sir, 2 raised to 8 is 256.
Okay. So here count all the 8s. That is 6 8s are there. So then take a 2 raised to 6. Then it is a 64. Then 64. What you have to do? 6 8 are there. 6 8 are there means 8 divides by 2, smallest number. Okay. 6 8 are there. 2 raised to 6 is a 64, and 64 minus 1 is 63. So your answer will be a 8 raised to 63 by 64. Okay. So I'll just give one more example under this concept. Last one. Take a question. This is now square root 7. Okay. 7 7 7 7. Okay. 7 7 7. Okay. So here also it is not like एक किससे भी divisible नहीं होता है. That is not a question. Actually I want to tell at the end. Okay. So formula only comes as if it is a n. N is what here? N is a this question number. So here take a n as a 7, and formula is what? N is that question raised to 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n. This is a formula. So I want to tell at the end. So I told in different way. So here also, if you are getting a values, अगर इधर 7 आएगा 5 आएगा, so now 7 will not divide by anyone. Okay. And 5 will also not divide by anyone. So in such cases, so how to do? So you can use this same standard formula. So here n is what now? Sorry, n is what अभी कितने 7 है? So small n is 6. Okay. And capital N is 7. Okay. So what is the 2 raised to 6 here? 2 raised to 6 is how much?
64.
64. Okay. And 64 minus 1 will be 63. Okay. 63. So here answer will be what now? 7 raised to 63 by 64. Okay. This is your answer. So if you are not getting any other value also, no problem. Just use a formula. Just remember this formula. n raised to 2 raised to n minus 1 by 2n. ये क्या है? Raised to है, इसके साथ multiply नहीं है. So here small n is how many numbers, similar numbers. इधर देखो similar रहना चाहिए. So how many similar numbers you have divided by how many similar numbers and given number. So similar number किसके साथ लेना है? 2 raised to n minus 1 and by 2n. So remember this formula to apply such type of equation. Okay, to apply such type of equation, it help you people to solve any type. Okay, so one more this type of question is there. I think no, that is different type.